Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to set up direct deposit on Chime without a job. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you don't have a traditional employer, that's completely fine. You can still use Chime and enjoy all its benefits as long as you receive electronic payments, such as government benefits, freelance income, or other transfers. To get started, open the Chime app on your phone. From the bottom menu, tap on Move and then select Set up Direct Deposit. On the next screen, Chime will show you your routing number and account number. These are the most important details you'll need, so make sure you double-check that both numbers are visible. One option is to share your Chime routing and account number directly with whoever is paying you. This could be a government agency, a freelance client, or a payment platform. Simply provide them with these details so they can send payments directly to your Chime account. If you're receiving government benefits, the process may be slightly different. You'll usually need to log into the relevant government portal, such as an unemployment or benefits website, and update your payment method by entering your Chime routing and account number there. The exact steps depend on which agency is paying you. Another option is to use Chime's direct deposit form. Inside the app, tap on Get Completed Form, and Chime will automatically generate and email you a filled-out form. You can then send this form to your employer, client, or the agency paying you. Chime actually recommends this method because it makes the setup process easier and reduces the chance of errors. You can also use the Find Employer option in the app. This feature lets you search for common payers, including government agencies like Social Security. If you find the payer you're looking for, select it, and Chime will redirect you to the appropriate portal where you can complete the setup. And that's it. So that's basically how you can set up direct deposit on Chime without a job. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.